Alright, now it's time, boys. How are y'all doing, man? Alright, so we're back, but this time. Yeah, profile? No, not this one. Not this one. What I really want to do is turn this white. Up settings. Gonna make it light. Alright. Alright, we back, boys. Holy moly. Think we're not gonna trade today, man. Think today there will be no trades. And my internet is doing me dirty again. And internet is doing me dirty again. Guys, can you hear me clearly? We got some issues with the internet, boys. Yeah, we're having some issues with the internet, guys. Because I'm in the middle of moving houses, so I just got a new house. And I'm just literally using my phone for the internet, so just bear with me. Just bear with me for today. We're gonna get that fixed soon. Give me like 3 days, 4 days, and the internet will be back. The beautiful, beautiful internet will be back. All right. So, for RB, we can still expect price trading back into the daily open. I really want to see price trading back into the daily open because we got these failure swings right here, and this is the only relevant swing on within EQ, right? So this the current dealing range. I was gonna take it from here, but we've seen that deep pullback, so I'm just gonna use that one. Alright, so let's see if we're gonna form a swing formation right here. Let me Alright. So for me, what I really want to see is the fact that price. I really want price to trade lower. Form a swing right here. Then we can correct that move and trade back into these fair swings. Straightforward, nothing to do, nothing to complicate. C2 really close. So we got the C2, C3, but I want like to see a C4 that turns into a C2. So you kind of trade slower, boom, to that fair value gap, then we'll start trading higher. That's what I really want to see. But keep in mind, guys, we did take previous weekly high. So that's CL. Let me see RB. Holy shit. So we're back at that fair value gap that I really wanted to see yesterday. I don't know what happened yesterday. I don't know what happened today, guys, because the move was just insane. Yeah, that's a really clean trade we took at the high. Yeah, that's a clean trade. 6 a.m. is like right here. Yeah, that could have been like a really nice trade to take to the lows. Let me see. That could have been there. Yeah, that's like a really deep retracement. Probably this. I would probably take this move. Like after the changing state, because we did trade above that high, so that gives me confidence that price really wants to continue trading lower. Yeah, that could have been probably my trade if I trade early. Probably like some here, put the stop right there, and just go for that low, which I was marking out from yesterday. If you guys tuned in yesterday's live stream, you would have seen it, guys. All right. And I would probably got like a new invalidation level. I would have like forced it to go for 2R. But anyways, now we're gonna go to so RB again, same thing. We're just gonna wait for 10 a.m. and see what's gonna do. Gold. Yeah, it's crazy. Gold is just dumping. It doesn't care. What do we have here, guys? Probably like a failure to manipulate. I'm sure we kind of have some sort of failure to manipulate. Not yet. But that's a good swing formation. That's what I really like. When you guys see a sweep, so when we expand, like really expand lower, now I really want to see like a sweep. And then intercandle, CISD, and if we have like a significant low right there, then yeah, we can target these. Yeah, the 15-minute was clean. Yeah, C2 and then straight expansion. But on the 1 minute, I'm not sure if we're gonna get like a trade. Yeah, we did like quite late in the leg, but anyways, let me see what RB is doing. I'm gonna counter the daily. I'm gonna go counter the daily. I think we have some sort of strength switch right here. So the 20 is the high. While in here, 20 also is the high. This on lower, so we only have that SMG right here. Let's see. MCHO. Come on, my Wi-Fi is too slow. Oh. The leading asset. Still got lows available. That's really hard. That's really hard to trade. Gold. NQ. Holy shit, just died. Yes. Every pair is dying, guys. Like, what the fuck is going on? Like, what is going on with this shit? What is wrong with them pairs? So just shoot it above. Price really got reactive to the high. Just gonna clean up the drawings. Alright, so we got a PSP, which shows strength switch. And that's like a really fast strength switch. SMT. So now we can trade back into the lows. Into the low. Into this level right here. On hourly. Yeah. I think at least we can go to that low. So if that closes, after that closure, I will be looking for sells. And I can target the lows. But I really need the sweep with that fair value gap or the sweep with the high to be able to enter. These are like my two areas to enter right there. Price to trail, take the high, never close above the fair value gap, give it that changing state. Give me that inner candle changing state and I'm gonna go for that low and then for that low. Making it fun. Again, CL, I think CL or RB. Let me see which one is the leading asset. So since the leading asset expand on 6 a.m., then the lagging asset will follow on 10 a.m. while these two assets will be just ranging probably after taking out that low, or they will expand but they will not expand in such pace. Alright, 6J, I really love that. This one, I really love it. Like I barely traded. I've taken like 2 trades on it for the past, I don't know, like 3 months. Like it does form pretty well. Like just look at the high. Traded above the highs. This confirmed. This is the 5 a.m. so the 6 a.m. can open. Trade lower directly. Aligned with that 6 a.m. candle. Again, same thing. Trade above the highs. What time is this? Like 1400. So you can trade the 1400 candle into the lows, right? Again, what do we got? The 9 a.m. This one is a failure to manipulate. So by here, once you see that changing state, you can anticipate the low is gonna go. And here, what do? Close above, trade above the current high or the current highs. So just here, you could have ping ponged like this short. Probably try to go long here. Let me see if we can go long here. And let me see if I can go long right here. And let me see if I can go short right here. So just 4 trades right there, just in one day. Let me see if I take any L's or any winners. So First one, open high first. You could have taken this one with stops above. Targeting the lows. That's your first trade. Your second trade, you're trying to look for longs here. Never closed above. Never closed above. Never closed above. There are no trades. But here, we did close above. We did close above these highs right here. So you could take this one. Opening price is your stop loss. That's your trade. Again, trader, close below. Trader above the highs, close below. You could go for the closures. You could put it right there. Or you can put it one tick above. You could have extended that. And you could have gotten like a stop loss right there. If you're trying to go take that trade, then it would be kind of late. Yup. So yeah, just on that leg alone, you could have got swept. One trade, two trades, like 2.4, 2.8. So almost like 5R or more. Then you could have lost that one for like 3R, for like minus 1R. Let me see if like into 3 minute you could have gotten like a re-entry after the sweep. I really want to see if we got like a re-entry after the sweep. Yep, same for that one. It kind of closed. Like this can be the closure, really. This can be the closure, just boom, boom. But I would prefer more at that level. So get in right here. Having your stop all the way right here, just gonna kill the RR. Or you could go for the invalidation, the new invalidation level, which is that fair value gap. Could take it right there. Probably now. This is your new high. Could take it something like this. But still, I think it's not gonna give me that 2R, right? Yeah. Alright, let's go back to gold. Let's go back to gold, where the real gold is. NQ. Traded below 1500. I haven't traded below. CES is the weakest asset out of the tree. Also with YM, they're both weak. RB. Oh, it did close. Take it out. Alright, that's perfect. Let's see what we're gonna get right here, guys. Also, the 3 minute can do it. And I prefer the 3 minute a lot better if we can get like a retracement from like a swing and then break. And then that would be easy to R. That would be an easy K, 1K for the day. Let me see the yesterday's YM trade. Let me see. Yesterday's YM trade, I think it just died. Price just died, literally. Look at the trade that I took yesterday, guys, and I closed at break even. Like if I held, that would be crazy. That would be insane. Yeah. And like just for that level, next one is that level, next one is this level, next one is this. But I'm not gonna go for that one because this level slipped the previous one, so I'm gonna go for that level. So yeah, that would be like a 17R trade. Crazy. I'm good with my 2R. So yeah, HO is gonna be the play today. HO is gonna be the play. I'm sure it's gonna be the play. So again, CL and RB. I really want them to like slowly pull back. Well, HO shows some speed and shows more intention to go to the downside, while just CL and RB just slow down a little bit. That way, we can have asset synchronization again. Yeah, because if RB takes out that level, if CL and RB already did take that level, but like by a slight tick, so I don't see it as a sweep, because most of the time when we kind of just tick it, we're probably gonna trade back into the high at some point. So we got the SMT right there. I don't think we have the SMT right here. But let's see. Let me go into a minute. Let me try to see if we have like some sort of strength switch or anything. So we have just lower lows right here. This one is a higher low. So probably this looking at SMT right here. Like it's irrelevant for the current PA. Alright. HO. It's crazy. And we have this SMT now. I don't have anymore. I can't wrong. Oh wow. Does price really want to go higher next? I think price really wants to trade higher. Let me see. We closed above. Oh, we haven't closed above on the M5. All right, let's see. Do you guys see when we take out a high? And especially if there's an inversion, price just goes down. So that can be like an early entry right here. That's still GxT. Some people will be like, oh, you're trading inversions. Nah, this is still GxT. It's all like how you want to enter. Because if I wait all the way down here for price to take out that level, then my RR is going to get rigged. While on the other side, if I just go, I like probably wait for a closure, and then my stop is at the opening price. Look at it now. Like 2.6, 2.7 here, 1.3. So it's almost a double. It's more than the double. So yeah. But I'm not sure, man. We're seeing SMT. We're seeing this higher time frame for the gap holding. I think we also have, no, we don't have SMT right there. And we had this for a gap holding. And we get these highs. And that would be aligned with the failure to manipulate to that level. So we can still go all the way up here. So yeah, let me just see what's gonna go. Let me see what's gonna happen, man. Go to HO because I'm really interested in HO. C2, C3, so we can also fill this one. Or we might manipulate the low of it, since we might have like another SMT right here. Why? Because CL is really close to that low. So by the time price just want to pull back, when we're from the open low, we're gonna take out the low. While on HO, it might not be the case, because it has to wait all to pull back all the way down here. And if you guys really check, once CL takes out that low, it will also take out the relevant swing. RB, if it takes out that low, it will also take a relevant swing and also trade a little bit deeper on that one. So yeah, I'm expecting for an SMT to be formed right here. That's like my expectation for the time being. So we got a 30-minute closure. No, there's not 15. Got a 30. So we got a C2 that traded below a swing point. All right, within a fair value gap and has SMT support in it, which is good to see. So we might be looking for longs here. So we get the first reversal sequence is the change in state. So now we really want to see this change in state. I mean, we have the SMT, we have the inversion. So I'm aligned with the daily candle. Aligned with the 4 hour, because also the 4 hour is bullish. And this candle 10 a.m. is opening up with a fractal. So I might just trade this. Can be your first TP, second TP, third TP. So yeah, that's HO. Let me see gold. That would be really clean. I'm just gonna look for failure to manipulate. Straightforward. I'm not really gonna be looking for much. Just like straight failure to manipulate, and I'm gonna take it. But yeah, it's like really far away. Yeah, by the time we're gonna take out this level, yeah, by the time we're gonna change this CISD right here, I really hope. Gold did me dirty yesterday, not giving my entry. I hope it does right now. Like, just create a new swing, hold the fair value gap, give me that change in state. This confirms the 10 a.m. high. We're gonna go to that level. That's really what I'm looking for on gold. So I'm trading gold. I'm gonna trade HO. I'm not gonna trade any C's, and the C's are trash for the time being. RB. Alright. Alright, would they trade below A level? We might get on trades something like this. These big bells all ringing. Come on, gold, go higher. Come on, nah, bro. Come on, please, do this. I need my entry. If I take it right there, look how far my 2R is gonna be. Like just going beyond open objectives. Yeah, just like asking so much from goal at that point. Like, yeah, it can expand, but at that point we might just retrace. And if we take that level, we might have like a leg like this, and I'm trading within the discount, so price might really pull back, like deeply pull back. This. All right, everything is good. Everything is good. Everything is great.